Apple just launched this MacBook Neo, an impressive new Mac at a surprising accessible price. Apple actually built a laptop completely from ground. It's made of recycling materials, aluminum. Okay, so it's very great, very light, durable, and it feels very premium in your hands. And then the 13-inch Liquid Retina display is very gorgeous, offering visual images and sharp detail, making everything from streaming movies to browsing photos a delight. And then let's talk about typing. Typing is magical in the keyboard. It has a multi-touch trackpad that lets you click, scroll, swipe, and pinch anywhere on its surface easily. And if you choose the model with the Touch ID, you can unlock your Neo, sign into apps, and even pay with Apple Pay using your fingerprint, and it's super convenient. And then for connectivity, there's 2 USB ports, headphone jack, so charging and plugging in peripherals is very simple. And now let's look at the camera. It has a 1080p camera and very good high quality microphones, means you will always look and sound great on calls, although it's all very impressive. Thanks to the side firing speakers with Spatial audio and Dolby as watching a movie feels immersive. And then Neo comes in 4 colors: silver, indigo, blush, and now this citrus yellow, very bright and colorful colors. So if you like colors, you can choose a different color based on what you want. Very detailed. And then MacBook Neo is powered by A18, so it wakes up instantly, launches apps quickly, and handles everything with ease. So you can explore hobbies, stay productive, and enjoy browsing without slowing down. And Apple Intelligence, or the AI, helps you clean up images, express yourself, and get things done efficiently. You can run popular AI apps smoothly, and battery life is very long, 16 hours, thanks to efficient C of the Apple silicon. So it powers by Mac OS, the intuitive interface. There's built-in privacy and security, and all your essential apps you need. And adding your favorite apps is easy, and integration with your iPhone is seamless. You can start a task on the Neo, and then you can continue on with your iPhone, and you can copy and paste across devices, or even use features of your iPhone without picking it up. Okay, you don't have to pick up your phone, you can use it on your laptop Neo. So in short, MacBook Neo delivers everything you expect from MacBook at a price that's surprisingly cheap. The cheapest in record from Apple MacBook Neo. Will you buy it? Put in your comments. $599 only. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.